Welcome to another episode of Tech Unwrapped, where we dive deep into the world of technology, its impact, and the innovations shaping our future. I'm your host, and today I'm excited to explore the exciting landscape of GitHub, a platform that's become synonymous with collaboration in the software development world. Let's kick things off with some background. GitHub began as a place for developers to store code, right? But it's morphed into so much more than that. It's become a hub for millions of developers worldwide to collaborate on projects, share code, and engage in discussions about development practices. Pretty fascinating, huh? Now I want to highlight some of the key features that GitHub offers, like Copilot. It's touted as a game changer in code development. Just imagine having an AI buddy that helps you write code in real time. It's almost like having a Copilot for coding. But let's talk a little about security too. Because as beneficial as these tools are, we also have to consider vulnerabilities. I mean, when you're collaborating online, how do you ensure your code and your project is secure? And speaking of collaboration, GitHub isn't just about writing code. It provides a space for discussions outside of coding. This is where developers can brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and even share stories. It's where the community comes together. By the way, does anyone remember the story of how collaborative coding saved a failing project? I love those anecdotes. They really show the power of teamwork, even when it's virtual. Another interesting aspect is GitHub Actions. These nifty little scripts that automate workflows. They bring a level of efficiency that honestly is a total lifesaver for developers. Do you ever think about how much time we save with automation? It's incredible. And for the open source developers out there, there's GitHub Sponsors, which provides funding to support their work. How cool is that? It's lovely to see a community that believes in the value of open source contributions, connecting back with the people who make it thrive. All right, let's also touch on the learning opportunities galvanized by GitHub. Events, webinars, and even ebooks can drastically enhance your understanding of coding practices and trends. Have you ever participated in one of those virtual meetups? It's a whole new world of learning. As we move towards wrapping up our discussion today, I'd like to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What role do you think platforms like GitHub will play in the future of software development? Will they enhance productivity even more, or will they create dependencies we need to be cautious about? I'm intrigued to hear your thoughts. So remember, whether you're a novice or a seasoned developer, GitHub has something to offer everyone in the tech realm. That's all we have for today's episode. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of GitHub and its place in our technological landscape. Until next time, keep coding and collaborating.